Real estate sales automation. This automation will get leads coming from ads. The lead will land on my funnel. Did the lead click contact agent button? If no, the lead would be retargeted on future ads and would end on my automation here.
If the lead clicked the button that is yes, another condition would be did lead fill up the form? If no, the lead would just be retargeted on future ads and would also end on my automation here. But if yes, there would be a tag added to the lead as new lead. Lead would also be moved to the pipeline stage. Here, automation will send emails and newsletters to the new lead. On other specific time, lead will be invited to tripping and open house. The lead will also be included on nurture campaigns. Just being aware of the timing for sending emails. We do not want to bombard emails to our leads. Next is, did lead click show phone number button? If no, lead will be added to a nurture campaign. If yes, lead will be added to a hot lead tag. Any lead who shared his phone number is just saying that he is opening his line to the agent for discussing about the property. So the lead is considered a hot lead. Then lead will move to the next stage of the pipeline, and automation will send a different email sequence that is fit for a hot lead. Lead will then go to thank you page, ending the automation on this part. This is the back end of my automation. Next is the front end of.
Here's the Heroes section. Below it is the Available Units section. Next is the Floor Plan. Then Features, Amenities, Nearby Landmarks, Location, and the last is the form. On Heroes section, when you click the View Available Units button, it will take you to Available Units section, which is just below the Hero section. And clicking the Contact Agent button will take you down to this form. There is a Show Phone Number button and the form to fill up with info. Clicking the Show Phone Number button will take you to a pop-up asking to enter contact's phone number first, then I will give you mine. This is to group those contacts that are hot leads, who are really interested to buy the property. When contact number is given and clicking the button, it will then show my phone number. If contact will fill up the form, he will just give his info. And clicking the contact agent button will bring the contact to the thank you page. Then there will be email sequences to the contact for information, offer, and nurture campaigns.